As the registrators from Mount Kenya East, and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kindiki. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. As a region, we have come of age and wish to henceforth converse development matters affecting our people as a distinct entity. Our employment, we extend our deepest appreciation to His Excellency the President William Ruto for the many job opportunities already extended to our region. We further request that the future opportunities for employment to be extended to our people. As leaders, we remain committed to ensuring the development of Mount Kenya East. Our people deserve nothing less. We take this opportunity to sincerely thank His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto for recently appointing 3 cabinet secretaries from our region, namely the Right Honorable Justin Muturi, Professor Kindiki, and Engineer Eric Muga. These 3 appointments reflect the trust and recognition the President has placed on Mount Kenya East, and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve in the national leadership. We acknowledge the need for a strong linkage with the executive to fast-track our region priorities. Through collaboration and constant dialogue, we are confident that Mount Kenya East will progressively secure a stronger recognition in the national agenda. We wish to highlight some development projects that were initiated under the previous administration but are yet to be completed. These include critical road infrastructure, water projects, and electrification programs. These projects are vital to the prosperity and well-being of our people, and we urge the national government to prioritize their completion.